So ayan guys, yan, so makikita nyo naman dito sa aking vlog na ito is yung title natin is Pista Pista. So karon guys is we are now done for tapos na ating pagsisimba dito. Yun, so ngayon is hanap ako ng pagkakainan. Yun, so mamistata sa Bisaya. Yun. So hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta o saan akong bahay na makikikain. Yun, yun talaga yung mga tao na mayroon dito pumapasok. Tapos yun, kumakain lang ng regular. Pero at least libre. Libre. Sobrang libre. Kung mayroon kang kakilala o hindi, pero depende lang sa may-ari ng bahay. So ngayon guys is makikita nyo naman sa aking likuran is yun, parang himala, walang mga sakyanan, mostly is wala na talaga. So mayroon na talaga ay yun. So, mayroon tayong uncle na pupunta. So, yun. Yun na nga guys, is hanapan ko ng way kung saan tayo makahanap ng kakain. I don't know. So, yeah. Yun guys, so okay. Okay. Mayroon akong ideya kung saan ako pupunta. Yun, sa mga bahay dito is pista na pista. Wala pa ng tao. So, little bit confusing. Wala pang tao dito. Pero doon, ang dami doon. Yun, may bit-bit na ang isa ka case. May bit-bit ng isa ka case na beer. Yun, ready to pile up na for one day. Yun. Okay, so parang ito na ang aking first na makikikain.
Yeah, boy.
This house, by the way, this is my auntie. Okay. Morning! Mista! Okay. Wow! Oh, rice. Rice.
Wow!
Yan, so dahan-dahan na ililabas ang ating pagkain. Napagawas ng mga pagkain, mayroong rice, yun, mayroong additional. Looks yummy. Standby. This is the typical food or Thanksgiving to our fiesta. So in this time, gigutom na jud ko. I'm so very hungry right now. Oh, look at that.
A few moments later.
Round 2. Mayroon pang round 2 guys.
Hatod uli. Ha? Hatod uli.
So, asabi ito libi. Lagi, ikaw hatod, ikaw rupihong. Dinti.
Fourth round.
Yeah, boy. A few minutes later.
Right, so tapos na ato ang count dire sa first na bahay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Pusog na ating tummy. So ang hinahanap kong craving ngayon is maghanap po tayo ng dessert. parang yun na lang. So hanap tayo ng dessert kung mayroong available dito sa mga bahay-bahay, and we're going still looking for it. Okay, kaon sila. Bibong pista. Okay. Grabe, busog ko guys. Nabusog ako sa pagkain, grabe. Sarap. Sarap. Okay, standby muna. Yan, so papauwi na tayo. Yan. So walang uso dito, walang pagkain dito. Walang pagkain. Wala. So yun, mayroon ako nakita. So maghanap po tayo ng craving na dessert doon, mga bahay na yun. So try natin at hahaluguin natin. Standby. I don't know what happened in this world, but super mingaw. Ayan. Oy, handa. Pili itong isda. Okay, so excuse me toy. Oh my god. Okay, so yun guys, I don't have any get some dessert food. I don't know, I'm just craving some dessert food, but it's not available. So yeah, pretty sad. So it's okay, it's fine. The main important is the food. How's the food is great and very tasty. That is important. Okay, standby. Okay, we're going to go home now. Smash. Yeah. Okay guys, so we are now here and we're going to relax there, and we're going to go home. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you like, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So yeah, thank you very much. Let's vlog and sign off. Well.